dito nagkailap pikas baryo. Aw gibalik man ako ning akong comment. I don't see you. Bird. Bird. Guys, let's give a thumbs up to the pin, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's my dog right there. My dog. Yeah, guys. Oh, this is my flowers here. Right there. Right there. I will show you here my other garden too. Bibi. Tubi. So, T-O-B-Y manggod na. Ikaw gyud kasi aw ba nimo? Oy, ganahan man ko aning birth kay kanang makalingaw man. Thank you for pasukin my live birth. Okay, I just wanna show. I'm gonna kanais imong balay oy naasta gawas pasagop ko. O sige sagupon tika kay di nako kinahanglan mag kay mutabang naman kag work, so ang imuhang kinita arin na ako. Ay tanawa akong iro. Look at my Tubi. Look at Tubi. Oh my god, he's doing some show here. Look at Tubi. Look at Tubi. Look at him. Look at Tubi. Look at Tubi. He's so happy. Oh my goodness, very happy. Tubi, what are you doing? What's that, Tubi? What are you doing? What are you doing, Tubi? Oh, I have monkey here. Monkey is here. Oh, monkey is here. The monkey is here. I was storing the people on my garden here, Daddy, while I'm cooking. Dara, oh, ako ang flower. Akong flowers. Right there. Right there. Right there. On that thing. Yeah, I'm cooking I'm doing this now. Tama ko sa tanawa. Right there, my flowers. I'm hanging down there. In there. I have flowers here. I have flowers here. I have flowers here. Yeah. Thank you so much for staying with me. My burger here done. My burger done here. I'm cooking hamburgers for Wednesday. For Wednesday dinner hamburger. Yeah. Thank you for doing the price. You wanna shower first? So I'm coming an hour earlier tomorrow. I'm coming home 1 hour early tomorrow. Because Chris is coming, I need to prepare. Right? She said Arlene working 2 jobs, and she said we don't have a lot of people. I said that's okay. We cannot come because 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock very close. Huh? I'll stop. Oh, okay. Exactly. Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah, sure. We can do that. We talk to Chris then. Yeah. And they're normally like my party, they come late. They're 4 o'clock, it becomes 5 o'clock. Sometimes 6. That's Filipino time. Tubi, how are you, Tubi? Say hi to everyone. Yeah. Thank you, Angie P. Murag magmanch.